Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can change your Facebook league name. Okay, now the first step is actually going to go to this menu with the three horizontal bars on top. Now let's just click there. And now you want to you want to scroll down and find your settings and privacy menu and go to settings, as you can see here. And now you want to get to your Meta account center, which is this region here that you can just click on. And now let's go to profiles. Okay, let's click on our profiles. This is my Facebook profile. This is the only one I have, and I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click on name. And here you can modify your name to whatever you like. But keep in mind that this name has to be approved by Facebook. Okay, so don't put anything that's weird or maybe inappropriate. Okay, just make sure to put something relevant or something that is actually your name. Okay, and that's pretty much it. After your name gets reviewed, it's going to be either approved or not. Thank you so much.